Case was concluded just now. Anticipatory bail application was concluded just now. It is kept further in another 1 week on 15th October. Ayes kida zala, Honorable Justice Deshpande has said that since the accused wants to surrender, ताणे एक statement दिलो आहा की तो surrender जावपा प्रयत्न करता. So since he wants to surrender, let him surrender. Today 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock he will surrender before Bicholi police station. And PI direct केलो आहा that he has to comply with section 35 of BNS, 35 part 4 and 6, which requires that जर accused cooperate करिना, investigation cooperate करना, तेन्ना ताका अरेस्ट करपाचे ग्राउंड्स आसतले, ना जाल्यार अरेस्ट जावचे ना. सो इफ एंड ओनली इफ अक्यूज डज नॉट कोऑपरेट, तो हायड करता, कितें तरी कन्सील करता, तेन्ना द इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर माइट अरेस्ट. अदरवाइज it is as good as interim relief if you go to see, because he has been allowed to appear before the police station today by 4 or 5. Before that there is not going to be any arrest, and since he has made a categorical statement that he is surrendering, and surrendering is the best course for him, because if he does not surrender he would not be eligible for protection. Since he is going to surrender, then what is important is that he is coming before the authorities, whereas all this while he has been absconding.
Okay, and when is the hearing?
On 15th October is the hearing. So that time the PI or the IO, will be giving a report on what is the progress of the investigation, whether he is complying or not, whether he is joining the investigation properly or not. If he is not joining properly, then the ABA will finally be denied. If he is joining and if he is cooperating, then the ABA will be allowed. ABA is anticipatory.
Whom you have represented?
I have represented respondent number 4, intervener number 4, that is Warren Alema. It's kept for hearing next on 15th. Report of the IO and hearing on 15th.
गोंयच लोकांचो विश्वास, गोंयकारालो विश्वास गोवा पुलिसाचे सोन सारको उठला. I don't think the people of Goa, आमी गोंयकार, there's any more trust or faith that we have in Goa police. It's a very strong statement that I'm making, but this is the truth. If you go to see, so many days, इतले दीस जाले गोंयचे पुलिसा कडेन एकलो 75-year-old सिनियर सिटीजन धरू जाल ना. हेजे कित कोटा. Goa police is completely incapable. Either they are incapable or they are working on the force of someone else. Whose force is Goa police working under? Today we are in such a pathetic condition. आमी गोंयकार आमचे जोरीतोर कोणान जोरीतोर कितें आड उलयले, जोरीतोर आड जात जाल्यार आम खंय धांवताय. आम पयलीं पुलिसा बरें धांवताय. पुलिसा बरें जोरीतोर आम जस्टीस मेळना, मागीर आम आमगे घराचे माताय, आमगे कोर्ट ऑफ लॉचे माताय. Today the court of law is getting this person to the police station. So many days the Goa police did not want to find him. जात जाल्यार तो इजी मेळपाचो. इतलो 75-year-old मनीस खंय धांवतलो, कोण कितू पयस देखून धांवतलो. गोंयच पुलिसाक फरक पडना. They do not care about the sentiments, and it's very shocking. But at the same time, as I said earlier also, I believe in the court of law, I believe in a judicial system, and I thank the judicial system for making sure that this person comes before the law. आज 5 देखून तेका टाइम दिला, यो आनी तुझे तोंड दाखय म्हूण, आनी तू सांग म्हूण, तू येशली उतरां कित्या उलयला, आमकां इतले कित्या दुखयला म्हूण. सो एवरीथिंग सेड एंड डन, लेट्स जस्ट गो बाय द लॉ. आमी गोंयकार सोद्दां पीस लविंग मनीस. आमी तुवें चोयला प्रोटेस्ट देखून पीस लविंग जाल्ले, आनी देखून हांव सांगो तुका, आमकां हे सगल्यो हेड नाका, टायम ना आमकां सगळ्यागे दीस रात पिडेर केल्या एक मनशान. आमी गोंयकार मायनॉरिटी म्हूण वचनाय, आमी सगळे तिगाय हिंदू मुस्लीम क्रिस्तांव मेजॉरिटी, आनी आमी हे हिंदू क्रिस्तांव मुस्लीम गोंयकार म्हूण सगळे एक मनशा कडेन. सरकारान एक मनशा लागून फूल गोंय बंद केला. गोंयकारागली न्हीद काबार केले एकले मनशा लागून. कित्याक? हो कोण? हे संबंध, हे जोरी तर सगळीं तुवें कनेक्शन घेयल्या, सगळ्यांक हेजो उत्तर मेळ्ळा. बट एट दी एंड the entire blame should go on the Goa police, and only on the Goa police, because they have not carried out their duty. सगळे हात उबातले लास्टा आनी हिंगा गोंयचे पुलिसानूच जबाब दिवपा जाय की इतले दीस ते कित्या एक मनशाक कित्या सोदून हाडपा मेळना काय म्हूण आमकां.
Well, I always said, and I'm again saying, that I have full faith in the judiciary. But the games are played not by the judiciary. The games are played by the BJP government, and especially the Chief Minister, who is heading the Home Ministry. Today, being the 10th day, see, he had made these utterances. There are 2 statements on the 1st in Bicholi. It was the job of the department, that is Home Ministry, to just get him right away. And जेन्ना complaints which had come, साबार गोंयच्या लोकांनी complaints जेन्ना दिल्ले, ते FIR करपाची ड्युटी आशिल्ली ते respected police स्टेशनाचे. But what said and done, it was my call, and then people came and we forced Sunita Bai, that is SP, and then the letter was sent to Bicholi, and on our call, the FIR was done. They exhaled, but then they tried to shield him away. Police failed. All Goa knows how SP Sunita kept on telling us that we are getting him within an hour. And don't worry, police is on her search, and then 2 notices are already put on his house. His phone is off. Nothing. ते सगळे कोण जाता की तरी पासून मागीर आमी कोर्टांत येवपाक पडले. आमी एडिशनल सेशन कोर्टान गेले ते दीस खंय तरी इंटरवेन्शन ताजे घातिल्ले ताजी बेल रिजेक्ट जाली. पूण आयज आयकूंक येता तशें सी वी आर इन द हाय कोर्ट. We are feeling little demoralized because as High Court आता त्यांनी सांगला ताजे लॉयरान सांगला that he is ready to comply and he is ready to come before 5 o'clock म्हणून. So आमचे इतलेच आसा, he has to come before 5 o'clock. If he is not coming and cooperating with the court of law, then definitely it is going to be arrest, and then there is no there is no escape. म्हळ्यार हेजेर कळटा if he is ready to come and